Today's class we'll see standard form of circle. Okay, in the previous class we have seen what is the equation of circle, how to find the equation of circle. I gave some work, sir. Okay, please complete the work, sir. Okay, ఇప్పుడు మనం standard form of the circle, general form, what we say, general form, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Which form it is? General form, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c. అంటే మనకు we have seen straight line. What is the straight line? ax plus by plus c. Circle లో what is the equation? x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c. For this, center is minus g comma minus f, radius is root of g square plus f square minus c. Center is what? Minus g comma minus f, radius is g square plus f square minus c. And conditions, condition is what, sir? Coefficient of x square is equal to coefficient of y square is equal to 1. What is the condition? Coefficient of x square and coefficient of y square should be equal, and it should be equal to 1, and coefficient of xy should be 0. What is the condition for any equation of circle? Remember, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Center is minus g comma minus f. Radius is given by root of g square plus f square minus c. What is the condition? Coefficient of x square should be equal to coefficient of y square, and it should be always 1. Coefficient ఎప్పుడు ఏం ఉండాలి సార్? 1 ఉండాలి. It should be always 1, and coefficient of xy should be 0. Okay, now find the center and radius of the circle. X square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y minus 12 is equal to 0. For first problem, x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y minus 12 is equal to 0. First, 2g is equal to minus 4, 2f is equal to minus 6, c is equal to minus 12. X coefficient will become 2g, y coefficient will become 2f, and constant is minus 12. X coefficient ఎప్పుడు minus 2g తీసుకోవాలి సార్, y coefficient ఎప్పుడు 2f తీసుకోవాలి, then constant is minus 12. So what is the g value? Minus 2. What is the f value? Minus 3. What is the center? Minus g comma minus f, that is 2 comma 3. And what is the radius? Root of g square plus f square minus c. Formula applications are center minus g comma minus f, 2 comma 3, radius is root of g square plus f square minus c. So what is g square ante enta sir? 4 plus 9, c is minus 12, so minus of minus plus, so root of 25, 5. So radius is equal to 5. Okay, one more problem. Second problem, x square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y minus 4 is equal to 0. So again, 2g minus 4, 2f6, c is equal to minus 4. What is the g value? Minus 2. What is the f value? 3. What is the center? Minus g comma minus f. అంటే ఏమవుతుంది సార్? 2 comma minus 3. What is the radius? Root of g square plus f square minus c. So what is the value? 4 plus 9 plus 4, root 17. Right? One more problem. X square plus y square plus 22x plus 6y plus 96 is equal to 0. Okay. So x square plus y square plus 22x plus 6y plus 96 is equal to 0. 2g value 22, 2f value 6, c value 96, g value ఎంత సార్? 11, f value 3. వాల్యూస్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయడం సార్. x స్క్వేర్, x కోఎఫిషియంట్ 2g, y కోఎఫిషియంట్ 2f, and c value constant is 96. So g value 11, f value 3. So what is the center? Minus g comma minus f. What is the center? Minus 11 comma minus 3. Okay, substitution sir. Next radius, root of g square plus f square minus c. Formulas గుర్తుంచుకోండి sir. g square plus f square minus c. So what will happen? 121 plus 9 minus 96. Here 96 is there, minus 96. So 130 minus 96, 34. So what is the radius? Root 34. Observe here, x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y minus 12, 2g. X coefficients are y coefficient and constant. X coefficient will become 2g, y coefficient will become 2f, and the constant will become 12. Constant will become c. So g value minus 2 because you are dividing by 2, f is minus 3. Center you substitute radius. Again one more problem and one more problem. Okay, please note on this. Okay, this is a fourth problem. Now from here onwards, ఈ సెంటర్ రేడియస్ ఫైండ్ వచ్చారు కంపల్సరీ రావాలి సార్. సర్కిల్లో ఈ మోడల్ చాలా 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 ఇంపార్టెంట్, మోస్ట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్. నౌ ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ వై స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ 5x minus 6y minus 7 is equal to 0. Again 2g is equal to minus 5, 2f is equal to minus 6, c is equal to minus 7. What is the g value? Minus 5 by 2. What is the f value? Minus 3. Okay, what is the center? Minus g comma minus f. 5 by 2 comma 3. Right? Now look at the radius. Radius substitute చేయడం చూడండి సార్. 5 by 2 whole square 25 by 4 plus 9 minus of minus become plus 7. So simplification చూడండి సార్. 25 by 4, 9 plus 7, 16. So LCM 4, 25 plus 64. So this becomes 89 by 4. So what is the radius? 89 by 4. So center we got and radius. Okay, so now look at here. Fifth one. X square plus y square minus 3x minus 5y minus 1 is equal to 0. Plus 1 is equal to 0. Now again 2g is equal to minus 3, 2f is equal to minus 5, c is equal to 1. So what is the g value? Minus 3 by 2. Only x coefficient, y coefficient every time. Observe here, every problem. X coefficient, y coefficient. Then what is the f value? Minus 5 by 2. Now center minus g comma minus f. That is 3 by 2 comma 5 by 2. What is the radius? Root of g square plus f square minus c. Every time formula I am writing sir. So you have to remember this formula. We will be using this continuously sir. Root of g square plus f square minus c. So root of g square means 9 by 4, 25 by 4, c value 1 so minus 1. LCM is 4. 9 plus 25 minus 4 under root. So this becomes 30 by 4. Okay, so what is the radius? 30 by 4. Now most important. Sixth problem. 2x square plus 2y square plus 4x minus 6y plus 4 is equal to 0. What is that? X square plus 2x square plus 2y square. Most important. Here x square y square has got coefficients 2 and 2 ఉన్నాయి sir. 2 and 2 ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి first divide by 2 means what? X square plus y square plus 2x minus 3y plus 2 is equal to 0. Okay. So what will happen? X divide by 2. కంపల్సరీగా గుర్తుంచుకోండి సార్ ఈ మోడల్ ఎగ్జామ్లో ఇది ఇస్తుంటారు 2x square divide by 2. So what is the 2g value? 2. 2f value minus 3. C value 2. So what is the g value? 1 by 2. And f value minus 3 by 2. Right? G value 1 by 2, f value minus 3 by 2. Sorry, g value 1 sir. G value anta 1. and f value minus 3 by 2. Okay, so what will happen? Center minus g comma minus f minus 1 3 by 2. Okay sir. So ఇక్కడ divide by 2, this is very very important. Now what is the radius? Root of g square plus f square minus c. G square means 1 plus 9 by 4 minus c means minus 2. What is LCM? 4. 4 plus 9 minus 8. LCM is what sir? 4. 4 ones are 4 plus 9, 4 twos are 8. So how much it becomes? 5 by 4. So what is the radius? Root of 5 by 4. 2x square plus 2y square divide by 2. This model compulsory గుర్తుంచుకోవాలి sir. Look at here. Simple here. 2g is equal to minus 5 by 2. So 5. So 5 by 2, 3. Here only one fraction has come. Here both the fractions have here come. Here. This model compulsory గుర్తుంచుకోవాలి sir. Please note down. Next. 3x square plus 3y square minus 5x minus 4y minus 3 is equal to 0. Now here again 3x square 3y square undi ante coefficients are there. So what you write? Divide by 3. What sir? X square plus y square minus 5 by 3x minus 4 by 3y minus 1 is equal to 0. Again 2g is equal to minus 5 by 3, 2f is equal to minus 4 by 3, c is equal to minus 1. Coefficients consider chestam sir. G value minus 5 by 6, f value minus 4 by 6 and c value as is minus 1. What is the center? Minus g comma minus f. So 5 by 6 comma 4 by 6. You want to cancel, you can cancel, you can write 2 by 3, otherwise leave the answer. So what is the radius? Root of g square plus f square minus c. G square means what sir? 25 by 36 plus 16 by 36. C value minus 1, so minus of minus plus 6 because. So what is LCM? 36. 25 plus 36 plus 36. Sorry, here 16 under root. So 52, 77 under root. Whatever number is there, we have to divide. So 3x square plus 3y square minus 5x minus 4y minus 3 is equal to 0. Divide by 3. One more problem. Okay, 2 times of x square plus y square. Like this also you can give. Elaborate sir. So again divide by 2. ఇప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది? x square plus y square minus 7 by 2x minus 5 by 2y minus 3 by 2 is equal to 0. So again 2g is equal to minus 7 by 2, 2f is equal to minus 5 by 2. What is the g value? Minus 7 by 4. Here c value minus 3 by 2. What is the f value? Minus 5 by 4. What is the center? Minus g comma minus f. 7 by 4 comma 5 by 4. What is the radius? Only same models are, only numbers have changed. So please understand here. This is very very important. Root of g square plus f square minus c. Root of g square ante enta sir? 49 by 16, 25 by 16, minus of minus plus 3 by 2. LCM 16. 49 plus 25, 8 times, so 24. Why 24 sir? 2 will go 8 times, 8 3s are 24. 49 plus 49, 98. 16. So what is the radius? Root of 98 by 16. Divide. In the 1, 2, ikkada 3, ikkada 2. Okay, please note on this. Okay, now we have seen how to find the center and radius. Ela find vachero nerchukunnam sir. 2g, 2f. Okay, models. Now next problem. find the value of G comma f and radius of the circle if center is 3 comma 2. What is that? He says find G comma f and radius of the circle if C 3 comma 2. Center, C means center, for x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy minus 12 is equal to 0. This is a problem. Now solution. Given what is the center? 3 comma 2, which is minus g comma minus f. Okay, so what will happen? Minus g is equal to 3, minus f is equal to 2. Therefore, what is the g value? Minus 3. And what is the f value? Minus 2. Got it? And what is the radius? Root of g square plus f square minus c. What is the c value for this, sir? Minus 12. So, root of 9 plus 4 plus 12. How much it will be? 5. 9 plus 4, 13, 13 plus 12, 25, square root of 25. Means directly he is giving the center. One more model will be there. Find the value of A and center and radius of circle. C and R means center and radius circle of the circle. Ax square plus 2y square plus 4x plus 5y minus 3 is equal to 0. Now, what is the question? He is asking find the value of A and center and radius of the circle. Krishna sir is asking to find. What is the condition we know? Condition em cheppan sir? Condition coefficient of x square is equal to coefficient of y square. Formula enti coefficient of x square is equal to coefficient of y square. What is the coefficient of x square? A. What is the coefficient of y square? 2. You got A value? Ante condition you say also coefficient of x square is equal to coefficient of y square. So ax square plus 2y square, coefficient of x square A, coefficient of y square 2. Therefore A value 2. First part అయిపోయింది సార్. Therefore circle equation, what A has to be replaced by 2. 2x square plus 2y square plus 4x plus 5y minus 3 is equal to 0. Divide by 2. X square plus y square plus 2x plus 5 by 2y minus 3 by 2 is equal to 0. నేను చెప్తున్నా ప్రతిసారి ఎవ్రీ టైమ్ ఉంటుంది డివైడ్ బై ద కోఎఫిషియన్స్. ఓకే, somebody will have a doubt. Sir, if 2 is there, 3 is there, it is not a circle. What is the condition? Coefficient of x square and coefficient of y square should be same. ఇక్కడ 2 ఉండి ఇక్కడ 3 ఉంటే circle cards are at it. It will not be circle, so you cannot do anything. So definitely these two values will be same. That's why I am dividing by 2. Again 2g is equal to what, sir? 2. 2f is equal to 5 by 2. C is equal to minus 3 by 2. What I have done? 2g is equal to 2. 2f is equal to 5 by 2. C is equal to minus 2. What is the g value? 1. What is the f value? 5 by 4. What is the center? Minus g comma minus f. అంటే ఏమవుతుంది సార్? minus 1 minus 5 by 4. What is the radius? Root of g square plus f square minus c. I am writing here. G square అంటే ఎంత సార్? 1. And f square అంటే 5 by 4 whole square 25 by 16. And what is the c value? Minus 3 by 2. So plus 3 by 2. LCM 2. LCM is 16. Here 16 is there. So 16 plus 25, 8 times 24. How much we get? 65 by 16. Compulsory center and radius or finding the value of AB or G and anything. So these models are very, very important. Okay, so today what we have seen, how to find the center and radius. That is most important model, sir. Center and radius find out theorem, general form of the circle. We will be doing so many problems, hundreds of problems చేస్తుంటాం రా. అన్ని ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఇదే మోడల్ x స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ y స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ 2gx ప్లస్ 2fy ప్లస్ c అనే కాన్సెప్ట్తోనే చేస్తాం. దానికి కావాల్సింది ఏంటి? హౌ టు ఫైండ్ ద సెంటర్ రేడియస్, సెంటర్ అండ్ రేడియస్. బేసిక్ ఈక్వేషన్ గుర్తుంచుకోండి, ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ వై స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ 2gx ప్లస్ 2fy ప్లస్ c. దిస్ ఇస్ అ సర్కిల్ ఈక్వేషన్. Based on that, we will be doing the problems. Here in this, what we have done is asked to find g and f and radius. ఇక్కడ సెంటర్ ఇచ్చేసారు కాబట్టి కాన్సెప్ట్ యూస్ చేసాం సార్. ఇక్కడ find the value of a and is asked to find the center and radius. ఇక్కడ a value how to find out? Coefficient of x square is equal to coefficient of y square. So coefficient of x square is a, coefficient of y square is 2. So a value వచ్చింది సార్. Then automatically a has to be replaced by 2, then divide by 2. Again we come back to this model, our old model. So divide by 2, g value వస్తుంది, f value వస్తుంది. సో g బట్టి సెంటర్ వస్తుంది సార్, సెంటర్ నుంచి రేడియస్ వస్తుంది. ఓకే, దిస్ ఇస్ వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. విల్ బి డూయింగ్ సో మెనీ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్. ఈ సెంటర్ రేడియస్ పైన కొన్ని లెక్కలు చేస్తుంటాం సార్. ఓకే, లెట్ us see other problems.